Hi, everyone, and welcome back to English the Gab Lab. If you need a video about a specific topic, just let me know in the comments. I'm happy to help. Have you ever been served something you didn't order? Today, we're going to learn how to fix that politely in English. Let's get started. Hi, good morning.
Morning. Give me 1 second. I'll be right with you.
Okay, great.
All right, I'm ready. What can I get for you?
Do you have oat milk?
Yes, we have oat milk.
Perfect. Then I'd like a large iced oat milk latte with an extra shot of espresso and vanilla syrup, please.
Sounds good. A large iced latte with oat milk, an extra shot, and vanilla syrup. Anything else?
Yes, please. A blueberry muffin, too. Thanks.
Is that for here or to go?
For here, please.
Great. That'll be $8.50.
Here you go.
Perfect. Please take a seat wherever you like, and we'll bring it out to you in a moment.
Okay.
Here is your coffee and your muffin.
Great. Thanks so much. Oh, no. Excuse me? Sorry to bother you, but I think there's a mistake with my coffee.
Oh, I'm so sorry. What's wrong with it?
This is hot, and I ordered it iced. Also, I'm pretty sure this is regular milk, not oat milk like I asked for.
You're right. My apologies. I'll remake that for you right away.
Thank you. I really appreciate it. Actually, I'm allergic to dairy, so it's really important that it's oat milk. Thanks.
I have some bad news. I went to remake your latte, but we just ran out of oat milk.
Seriously? Do you have any other dairy-free options?
We have almond milk or soy milk.
I don't really like soy milk. I'll go with almond milk then.
Since it was our mistake, I'll give you the muffin for free. Is that okay?
Oh, that's very kind of you. Thank you. That works for me.
I'll bring your coffee right out.
Perfect.
Here's your coffee. Just how you asked for it. A large iced latte with almond milk, an extra shot, and vanilla syrup.
Awesome. Thank you so much. This is it. Great. Now, let's review the most important phrases from the dialogue together. This way, when you go to a coffee shop, you will understand what they are saying, and you will know exactly what to say. You can pause after each phrase to repeat it out loud and practice your pronunciation. Let's start. What can I get for you? Do you have oat milk? I'd like a large iced oat milk latte. For here or to go? Excuse me? Sorry to bother you. There's a mistake with my coffee. This is regular milk, not oat milk. We just ran out of oat milk. I'll go with almond milk then. And those are the phrases of the day. Now, let's do a quick comprehension quiz to see how much you understood. Don't worry, it's very easy. Let's start. 1. What was the mistake with Amy's first drink? A. It was hot and with regular milk. B. They forgot the vanilla syrup. 2. Why is the muffin free? A. Because they had no more muffins. B. To make up for the mistake. 3. What milk does Amy choose at the end? A. Almond milk. B. Soy milk. Perfect! If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our future lessons. See you in the next video. Bye!